create an animated model of the solar system with the Earth rotating around the Sun and the Moon rotating around the Earth. And I've done this finished version here, and I've added a few little effects like a night sky background, some shooting stars and some meteors and things like that to add some authenticity to the model. So what I'm going to show you is how to get this far to make the animation. First of all, let's begin with the basics here. So if I call up this file here, and this shows you the basic elements you're going to need in order to create this animation. I'm going to start by attaching the orbit of the Moon to the Earth and fixing the two things together, because if we don't do that, then when we attach the Earth into the orbit around the Sun, the Moon will not stay with the Earth. So let's show you how to do that first of all. Left click on the Earth and then right click on that orbit and go to the link tool and tie them together, and you can see they are now locked together like that. And now we're going to attach the Moon with a left click and a right click to that orbit, and we'll go to the link tool, animate, follow over, and I'm going to just give this, say, 30 units of time, and we'll have that repeating. Okay, so we've now got the two locked together, a Moon going around the Earth in roughly the right speed. Now we want to attach this Earth to the orbit track that I've created around the Sun. So it's left click there and right click on that orbit pattern, go to the link tool, follow over and repeat it. But this time, of course, we're going to put in something like 365, because that's roughly what it takes for the Earth to go around the Sun. And there we are. The next thing, as you know, is to make these, of course, orbits disappear. So select the orbit with a left click, go to E for effects and remove the lines. And let's do the same on this pattern here. And it makes the whole thing look a lot more authentic there. So we've got that. Now, to create that final effect, all I did was go to Flickr and find a nice night sky image. I put it onto my Textease page. We'll put it up there. And let's go and drag that so it fills the whole page and down a bit. And I'm also going to lock it to the page too, because that just means it's not going to interfere with anything else I do. And there we go. I've got that going around there. Now, to create that sort of last effect that I've got here of the asteroids and the shooting stars, all I did was go to the Shapes tool, right click, and I found the Circle tool here, put it on. I filled it with white just so I could see what was going on there, and I used, and then I resized this and created the right objects. And as you can guess, all those shooting star objects and meteors actually were following paths which I drew with the pencil tool here. And when after I'd drawn the lines, I made them disappear. And they're all shooting across the screen at different speeds, of course, which is, as you know, quite easy to do. And there you are. If you want to be a little bit more adventurous, you can go to the effects tool here, and you can try playing around with hide and show, which may give you some interesting options, which means that the user will get some surprises when they move the mouse to certain positions on your screen. So have some fun and see if you can do a better job than I've done.